Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, your one-stop place to improve English in a fun and easy way. In today's video, we're going to practice simple English questions and answers on everyday topics like hometown, hobbies, school, and daily life. These are common topics in English-speaking tests and conversations, so make sure you listen carefully and repeat after me. Speak with me, pause when needed, and try to give your own answers too. The more you practice, the better your English will get. Ready? Let's begin. What is your favorite dress? My favorite dress is a blue shirt and jeans. I feel very comfortable wearing it. When do you usually wear your favorite dress? I wear it on weekends or when I go out with friends. It makes me feel relaxed and confident. Why do you like this dress? I like it because it is simple and looks good on me. The color also suits my personality. Who bought your favorite dress for you? My mother bought it for me as a birthday gift. That's another reason I love it so much. How do you feel when you wear your favorite dress? I feel happy and confident. It always gives me positive energy. Do you prefer traditional or modern clothes? I like both. Traditional clothes are special for festivals, and modern clothes are good for daily use. What colors do you like to wear most? I like blue and black. These colors match with almost everything. Do you like shopping for clothes? Yes, I love shopping for clothes. I enjoy trying new styles and colors. Do you choose your clothes yourself or ask someone's help? Usually, I choose my clothes myself, but sometimes I ask my friends or family for advice. Do you take care of your clothes? Yes, I always keep my clothes clean and ironed. It helps them last longer and look fresh. Great job, everyone! You did amazing practice today. Remember, learning English is all about daily speaking. So, try answering these questions about your own life again after this video. You can even comment your answers below. I love reading them. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more English practice videos every week. Keep learning, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next video.